Okay, this is homework for Wednesday, February 17th. Today was a half day, so I hope you're getting this homework done early. You should already have it done and you're just here to check the video. So, in this situation, they're talking about Hank's Honda dealership and the tires that he sells, and they gave us an equation. You should know from this equation what each part means. So y is the number of tires. 4 is our slope, which means for every one change in number of cars, there are 4 number of tires. And then x is the number of cars in the parking lot. So we know that the slope, or our y, is rising by 4 every time our x is rising by 1. So I can start my table. I'm always going to start at 0, and from my equation I know that there is no y-intercept because it doesn't say plus something, which means the y-intercept is 0. And then so at 1 car in the parking lot there are 4 tires. With 2 cars in the parking lot there are 8 tires. With 3 there's 12. With 4 there's 16. And with 5 there's 20. So I can see my slope in my table because it's going up by 4 every time, which represents my slope. Okay, so now we need to graph it. I've got number of cars on the x and tires on the y. Now for counting, I could just count by ones on my x, and I'm going to skip lines so to make room. Just kidding, it won't fit. I will not skip lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then over on my y-axis, I'm going to just count by 4 since I already can do that. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, now I'm going to plot my points. 0, 0, 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12, 4, 16, 5, 20. Okay, is the number of tires, this is B, is the number of tires a function of the number of cars, y or y not? So remember, a function means that for every one input in x, there's only one output for y. So every time I have 1 car in the parking lot, does that mean I'm always going to have 4 tires? Well, yes, because 1 car has 4 tires. Every time I have 2 cars, will I always have 8 tires? There's not a possibility to have 1 car with 8 tires. Okay, so that means it is a function because for every one input in x, there's only one answer for y. So I'm going to write that in my next page. This is B. Woo. Yes, it is a function. Because for every one input of cars, there is only one output for a number of tires. Okay, now your secret message is, what does befuddle mean? Okay, see you tomorrow.